Hello everyone. So it's been so long since I did a video like this. So in this video I am going to show you what helps me while traveling, what keeps me sorted. So in this first pouch there is a rings corner. Then there are 6 to 8 compartments that I have for all my jewelry that I can keep, but I tend to keep less while traveling. My jewelry doesn't get messed up and I don't have to worry about it all the time. So in this second one, I've got all my mobile accessories, cables, chargers and all. It's good for that. So this is another one that I really like. This has a handle on top. Whenever we travel and check into a hotel, I just take this and hang it in the bathroom. So this has 2 compartments, and I like to keep all my skincare in and my everyday makeup that I would be using while traveling around. For skincare, I follow a 9-step Korean routine. I'm very careful about the products I keep so that I don't damage them. Yes, I tend to keep my cleanser, my toner, my essence and my serums, and of course my moisturizer and SPF. For makeup, I keep my powder foundation that works great as a powder as well as a foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer that works great as an eye base, some eye stuff which includes mascara, eye pencil, brow stuff and highlighter, and some lip stuff that I keep 3 to 4 so that I can mix and match. So this one includes all my basic brushes that I tend to keep while traveling because I cannot take them all, so I keep just the ones that I would really need. So this is a pouch I got when I ordered some brushes together. In this bag I keep my hair straightener, my hairspray and a brush or a comb. On the other side I keep a pair of slippers that would work with anything that I would wear during my travel. I've come to this last pouch that I have. It has also a hook at the top that helps me in hanging. This has 3 compartments. So in the first zipper I have a powder, my roll-on, my sanitizer, extra razor and some extra perfume, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and that's about it. So in this second pocket I have makeup wipes, cotton balls, cotton buds and cotton pads. These are the things that can always come in handy. So this is the third pocket and it has all my hair accessories that I would be needing during the travel. These are hair bands, hair pins, hair clips and hair ties. That's about it. Finally, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you would like me to make more videos like these or have any questions regarding it, make sure to comment down below and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.